Sorry, my phone ran out of memory, so I'm gonna have two parts on this. But back what I was just saying, I'm gonna just send just random updates and things like that. Football going good. We just need two more wins to the conference championships, and so that's going great. As far as my subscribers, I want to give a shout out to because they shout me out in their videos. I still watch people's videos. The real Terrence, hey, that's my homeboy. You know, keep doing your thing, man. Kid Lock 4, thanks for the 1 year shout out. My homie Go Get a Mitch. I know about your hearing problem that you had to take out your locks and you have your afro right now. I don't know if you changed it up since then, but just stick it out, man. Stay in there, man. Hopefully it get better, man. I know you're gonna have locks in no time, like. So I still got you on my side. And other than that, I'm gonna just be able to random updates, and every now and then I'll show you a new lock update. I'll at you too. Peace.